Welcome to Network Key. Orbi RBK853 Wi-Fi 6 System Setup. Unpack the Orbi system, ensure you have all the components, router, Orbi RBR850, and satellites. Placement: position the router centrally in your home for the best coverage. Place satellites in areas where Wi-Fi coverage is weak. Router setup: connect the Orbi router, RBR850, to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable, plug in the router and turn it on. Wait for the power LED to light solid white. Satellite setup: place the satellites, RBS850, in desired locations within Wi-Fi range of the router, plug in each satellite to a power outlet and wait for the satellite's ring LED to light white. Setup via Orbi app. Download and install the Orbi app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Orbi network. Once the setup is complete, you can customize your Wi-Fi network settings. Change Wi-Fi network names, SSID, and passwords. Set up guest networks. Configure parental controls and other advanced settings through the Orbi app or web interface. Firmware update: it's recommended to check for and install any firmware updates for your Orbi system to ensure it has the latest features and security patches. You can do this through the Orbi app or web interface. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully set up your Orbi RBK853 Wi-Fi 6 system and enjoy reliable and high-speed Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home.